trying to teach itself how to fly.
That's
Aww.
why I said put it in something. Exactly.
It gets more comfortable with Shanna than anybody. But look,
It's a bitty body.
on my finger.
Man, I wanted to hold
Wrapped
it.
its, like,
Shit that shit.
Man, I can get him something comfortable.
Look at the buddy. Look at that Shanna. Look at the buddy. Look at that Shanna. Look at that zit on her forehead. Look at that zit.
That's why you look like a fucking Teletubby.
I'm gonna show this mommy now, right? The buddy. Look at it's a bitty buddy. What are they doing? Look at the buddy.
The bird is watching you, bro.
Oh crap, bro, that's scary. The bird keeps on watching me.
Bro, the bird is watching stuff.
Bro, the bird is watching me.
actually watching that because that's the same color as it, and it knows that.
Stop, stop. Y'all stop, y'all stop.
Bro, stop. Don't move it.
Yep, it's following this. Birdie, move. Birdie, move.
His sister looking at my face.
Birdie, move. It's watching
Oh, yeah,
this.
it's just weird.
By the way, I ain't say